In front of me is OPPO A40 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to click on additional settings. Then tap on one-handed mode and use this switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it. Unfortunately, to use it, you need to have gesture navigation set up. Now to use it, follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working properly. To go back, you can swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!